All right, happy Monday, everybody. Sun is rising. What a beautiful sunrise we have out there. 41 degrees in the Helena Valley. Great Falls has another beautiful sunrise. Pretty clear skies out there, too. 1 degree above freezing. Most of the state at about the 30s and 40s. 23 down there in Butte. That's a little bit of an outlier for the state. Hour by hour in Helena brings us up to just about 60 degrees today around 4 p.m. So it'll be a lovely day out there before we get some rain coming up later on in the week. It's Monday. Our system up here, low pressure that brought us that very strong wind in western Montana today, is sitting at about the northern border of the state. Not much precipitation associated with that, though. We'll see later. Glasgow, Glendive could get some scattered showers, but I think it's a little too dry for that rain to reach the surface. So we do have some active weather alerts out there. Lake wind advisory for Fort Peck Lake for west wind to 25 to 35 miles an hour, gusts to 50 miles per hour today. Very low relative humidity, so we have a red flag warning for some fire danger out there in pretty much the same area, just a little bit further east to include Glendive, just to the east of Lewistown. Relative humidity values less than 15%, so we will see some showers start to develop here later, but I think it's just going to be virga, as it's going to be very dry towards the ground. I don't think that rain is going to reach there. Lots of strong wind in northeastern portions of the state, even along the High Line still. Cut Bank still 25 mile an hour wind. So the west will stay windy today. It's not going to be as bad as it was yesterday. The stronger wind is out east today near Glasgow, Jordan, Glendive, Miles City even could see a few stronger gusts, but overall the state will stay windy throughout the day today. The wind dies down overnight, but places like Lewistown, Havre could see a couple strong gusts overnight. Tuesday, tomorrow, our wind will stay light, maybe some wind along the Rocky Mountain front early Wednesday as well as out east. Once again with some stronger gusts, but not as strong as we were yesterday and will be today. So here's those showers I was talking about. Some very light precipitation over Glasgow later on this afternoon, but it's going to be very dry towards the surface, so I don't expect a lot of this to fall to the ground. Very windy conditions once again out east. That low pressure will move out by tomorrow. High pressure builds into the region. Everybody is clear to mostly sunny tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day with warming temperatures, just some cloud cover moving in later in the afternoon and into the overnight. So there's that low. It's gone. Wind all across the state here, especially out east. High pressure starting to build in. We'll be in about the upper 50s today. High pressure fully encompasses the state tomorrow. Temperatures up in about the 60s for everybody with mostly sunny skies. It's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day on Wednesday too, but some places like Bozeman, Butte, Dillon, even Helena could catch a stray thunderstorm or two into Wednesday afternoon, but temperatures will be nice into the 70s out east, even 70s in portions of southern Montana, including Helena and Great Falls could see temperatures exceeding 70 degrees. Some breezy conditions once again up in Cut Bank, but our cold front pushes through the state on Thursday. Again, not much precipitation with this cold front initially, but we will get some developing rain showers on Friday and Saturday that'll well make up for the lack of precipitation with that cold front. So temperatures will rise to close to 70, if not exceeding 70 degrees on Wednesday. We'll have a little bit of a dip in temperatures going into the weekend with some rain-snow mix. Rain in the valleys, snow in the mountains on Friday and Saturday. Temperatures to about 50 degrees, and then we'll rebound to the 60s on Sunday.